Nutserts, what are they? What are they used for? How do you install them? I'm gonna answer all that coming up. So what is a nutsert? Some people actually call them rivnuts as well. They go by both names. But basically it's like a rivet, but there's threads on the inside, and it allows you to make a tiny hole, and it allows you to easily have threads anywhere you want in thin sheet metal. And basically how to install them is you drill a hole that's about this size. You can get these in whatever size you want. Once you drill a hole that's about this size, you go ahead and install this into the hole. You can either use a special tool. There's a couple different specialty tools that you can use, or you can just use a nut and washer. I highly recommend one of the tools. I'll show you why. You'll install this thing in the hole. That's what she said. But you'll install this in the hole that you drilled out, and then when you tighten down on it, this back part crushes down and holds it and prevents it from moving out of the hole, so it stays in the hole and you have a threaded hole that you can bolt whatever you need to into. This is what a crushed down one looks like, and this is what a full one looks like. So you can see how much they actually crush down, and when it crushes down it expands this lip so it won't come out of the hole that you have. Alright, but I'll show you how easy it is to install one of the nutserts using this handy little tool, and I'll show you why I like it. Alright, so step one is we take a drill and we drill a hole. Ideally you want this hole to not have these little raised lips, so I was trying to do this one-handed. And next we're going to take our tool and open up the jaws as wide as it goes, like that. We're going to take one of our nutserts and we're just going to thread it on here. Now with your tool fully extended here, you're just going to place the nutsert into the hole, and then you just pull the handles together. And then you unthread this. And now you have a threaded hole right in the side of your Jeep. Then you can take your screw and just screw it right into the hole. Let me give you a quick overview of what this kit actually comes with. So this is a really great kit. It comes with this nice carrying case. You have the tool itself. You have this little metal tool to take the different tips on and off. Then you have all the different sizes for whatever nutsert you need. 1/4-20 is what I was just using, 10/24, 5/16, 18. Then you got some metric over here. You have M5, M6, and M8. So you have quite a bit, and it also comes with each one of those sizes. It comes with a handful of the nutserts for you to use, so you don't have to go right out and buy nutserts. You have a few to practice with if you want and get learning how to do it. But it's fairly simple with this tool. But nutserts, you love them or you hate them. With this tool, I love them. They used to be a pain. I used to hate them. A lot of your off-road aftermarket fender flares nowadays come with them, or even some of the rock sliders. I know my Poison Spider ones came with it, and if I had this tool it would have been a hell of a lot easier. The other way you can install these is you have a bolt and two nuts, and you hold one tight and tighten the other one down until it crushes the nutsert, and then you unthread one and you unthread your bolt and it's in there. That's just kind of a pain. It doesn't always work right. One big tip though I have for these nutserts is don't drill your hole too big. If you have to, start with a smaller size and kind of ream out the hole a little if you don't have the right drill bit. There is a chart online that you can find, tells you exactly what size hole you need. Yeah, with this tool, it's the Astro 1442. I really don't fear nutserts or rivnuts anymore. This makes it super simple. Thread the nutsert on and you crimp it in and then just unthread this bottom piece, and simple as that, it installs. So I have something special coming up for the JK and it needed this. That's why I went out and bought it. It's really cheap. I'll post a link down below in the description where you can get this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. As always guys, stay bearded, stay jeepin'. I'm out. Also, you can pick up a whole big bag of these on Amazon too.